Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the first question on page number 115, that is calculate national income. Now it is not given that by which method we should calculate, or any other additional information is not given. So first we need to look at the heads given in the question and to decide that which method we should use. As we see, the first is personal tax, it is not for our use. Then private final consumption expenditure, undistributed profit, private income. So undistributed profit is calculated under income method. Private final consumption expenditure calculated under expenditure method. Then we have the government final consumption expenditure. Then we have net domestic capital formation. It means this question is from expenditure method. So we will use expenditure method in this question. Question number 1 on page number 115. This belongs to expenditure method. The formula for expenditure method, that is GDPMP. This is the aggregate that we calculate from this method. GDPMP is equal to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic fixed capital formation plus inventory investment plus net export. So this is the formula to calculate GDP by this method. Now we see the heads that are given here in the question. If we see, private final consumption expenditure is given 600, so we'll write 600 plus government final consumption expenditure. It is given here, government final consumption expenditure 650, so we'll write 650 plus gross domestic fixed capital formation. Now if we see, net domestic fixed capital formation is given here, that is 70. Okay, so what you need to do is that to convert net into gross, what we do, we add depreciation. It is given here. So net domestic fixed capital formation is 70 plus depreciation is 14. This is 70 plus 14, gross domestic fixed capital formation. Net domestic fixed capital formation is given here 70 plus depreciation is 14, so that becomes 84. 70 plus 14. Then the next head which we need to look for is inventory investment. Inventory investment means change in stock. That is, if we see here, change in stock is given here minus 10. So minus 10. Then net export, net import is given here. Export, it means to sell item to other countries, and import means purchase from other countries. Both are opposite activities. When we export, we sell item. When we import, we purchase item. So both are completely opposite activities. So when net import is given, it means the sign of this number will get opposite. So it is in plus, so it will become minus 20. Why? Because we are taking just opposite activity. Now 600 plus 650 plus 70 and 14, that is 84, plus into minus, minus 10, plus into minus, minus 20. 4, 8, 5, 13, 13. 13, 34. Sorry, 13, 14. Now this is the GDP MP, and we have been asked to calculate NNP FC. So GDP MP minus, let's see, to convert gross into net, minus depreciation, to convert domestic into national, plus NFIA, to convert market price into factor cost, minus NIT. So 13, 14 minus depreciation is 14 plus NFIA. NFIA is given here, net factor income to abroad, and what is NFIA? Net factor income from abroad. This is net factor income from abroad, and this is net factor income to abroad. Now net factor income in abroad, both are common in both, but this is from and this is to. Again, from and to, these are opposite, completely opposite to each other, so the sign will get opposite. So it is 10, it will become minus 10. So and then minus NIT, net indirect tax, that is 60. This is 1300 minus 10 and minus 60, that is minus 70. So it is 1230. NNP FC. This is how we calculate NNP FC by this method. Now we leave the second question and we move forward with the we start with the second question itself, so that you will get another method to solve. Question number 2, page number 150. This is to calculate GNP at market price. What is asked? Gross national product at market price. This is the aggregate that we need to calculate at last. Now, if we see these, net current transfer to the word rent, social security contribution, mixed income, gross domestic capital formation, royalty, interest, compensation to employees, all these heads are from the income method. So this is a question of income method. Okay, so the formula, income method, that is compensation to employees plus operating surplus. Operating surplus includes the profit, rent and dividend. NPFC is equal to compensation to employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Compensation to employees, if we see here, compensation to employees, it is given here. This is 500. Now operating surplus, if we see operating surplus with the same name, it is not given here in the question, so we will calculate operating surplus, that is rent plus interest plus profit. So first we see rent. Rent is 100 plus interest. Interest is 110. Now if you see here, one more head is given here, that is royalty. Just before interest, if we see, the royalty is given here, that is 20. Now royalty is also part of operating surplus, but as it is not given more often, it is not shown in the formula. But royalty is also a factor income, and it is included as the part of operating surplus. So plus royalty, that is 20. Now rent, interest, royalty. Now profit, if we see on the back side in the question, profit is given here 200. So this is royalty 20, 430, that is operating surplus plus mixed income. Now mixed income is given here in the question as 600. So 600 mixed income. This becomes 1530. NNPFC is equal to 1530. Now we need to calculate GNPMP, NNPFC. Now to convert net into gross plus depreciation, national to national, product to product, FC into MP, that is plus NIT. This is 1530 plus depreciation. If we see here, gross domestic capital formation is given here 140. Gross domestic capital formation, that is 140, and net domestic capital formation is 120. So the difference of gross and net becomes depreciation. So 140 minus 120, that is depreciation. Again, just have a look here at here. Gross domestic capital formation, it means investment without calculation of depreciation, and net domestic capital formation, it means investment after the calculation of depreciation. So if you want to calculate depreciation, what you need to do? You need to subtract net from gross. So 140 minus 120. So that will become the depreciation. Now we need to look for the NIT. NIT, if we see here on the back side, net indirect tax 150 is given. So plus 150, 1530 plus 20 plus 150, that is 1550, 1600 and 1700 GNP MP. So this is how we can calculate the national income or the other related aggregates. We have solved 2 questions. Last time I have given you 6 questions to solve. I hope you all have done that. This time we will not do that much questions. For homework, I will give you question number 3, question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 and question number 9. Last time I have given you 6 questions. This time I have given you 5 questions. You need to do this, and this is from 3, 5 and 6. All these are from 116. Then 7 and 9, these are from page number 117. You should solve these questions, and if you are having any problem, you can contact us, you can discuss. When we'll meet next, we'll start with the 10th question on page number 118. Thank you.